Okay. Now, what we are going to do, first you all tell me last time what we did. First, everyone mute yourself, please. Okay. Now you all can hear me. Okay. So I am saying last time what we all did, reinforcement of what we did. Who can tell me? You can unmute yourself and you can tell me what we did last time. Reinforcement of. You can raise your hand. You can unmute yourself. Unmute yourself, baby. Arham, if you wish to say, you can.
Ma'am, you can repeat the question.
Yeah, I said last time when we did English class, what we did reinforcement, what we did revision. Revision of what? Do you remember? Yes or no? You feel. Think what we did last time. Yes, Ikshita. You can unmute yourself.
That sounds.
Very good. Sounds reinforcement we did. Correct, everyone? Sounds we revised. So I have a big request from you all. Kindly do practice at home of sounds. Sounds is really going to help you for reading and writing. Okay. If you have any confusion, like ma'am, I don't know what we say, how to say this sound, you can please tell me. Okay, you have team in that, you can leave it in chat that this sounds I'm still confused, so you can leave it there. Clear? Okay. Now after that, today we are going to move towards a sweet simple game. Okay, but you all need to follow the essential agreement, but you need to have a paper and a pencil. Okay, Maruf, do you have all these things? Maru, first sit properly, baby. You need to sit properly, okay? We are going to learn something, okay? So you need to have your pencil, your paper, okay? So what we are going to do, I'm going to, okay, I'll tell you first, okay? We will have a dice, okay, online, and I'm going to roll it for you. I'll give chance, like example, I'll say Soham turn, and then we'll roll a dice, okay? Whatever number will come, and then I have a chart. In that chart, I'm going to pick two character, one setting, like what place, and one problem. With that, you are going to create a small story. Must be 4 sentence story, a very small story. Clear? I'll give you two character, one place setting, and then one problem. Like I'll give you, for example, if I'll give you two character, like a policeman and a nurse, two character, and I can give you any situation. Tell me in some funny situation. Yes, Ananya, can you tell me any situation? Any situation, maybe not related to the same.
Mm, it's not about that. I already made the book.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so like a policeman and a nurse, and I'll give you situation, a room. Okay, okay, and then a problem is heavy rain, something, you know, some other problem. Okay, and then you are going to create a story, short story, 4 sentence only. Okay, clear? Clear? Okay. While going one by one, then you will get more clear when I'll show you the page. Okay. If you have any confusion, you can ask me. Ananya, yes, any problem, sweetie?
Um, I made a four-page story. It has a problem, setting, and characters.
Wow, good. Very good. Okay. We will share that also. Right now, we will start this game, Ananya and everyone.
Mm,
Yes.
okay, but I wouldn't play it because I already have a book.
Can you just play with us also, Ananya? We'll be very happy. Can you please?
Okay, maybe I can write one more book.
Okay. Thank you so much, Ananya and everyone. So here is our dice. Wait, it will take time to come. Then you all can see. Can you see this dice? Can you see this dice? Yes. Okay. So first I'm going to roll the dice for everyone. So first, who is going to get chance? Anybody who wants to say? You can raise your you can just unmute yourself and you can say I, or you can decide. You can tell the name that this person passed. Nobody? Okay, so I'll just roll a dice and everyone will write the number, what number, like I got 4, she got 6. So we are going to write for everyone, okay? And then I'll open the um chart, okay? So right now I am rolling the dice for Soham, okay? So whatever number will come, that will go for Soham, okay? Roll. Okay, so I don't know why it's not. Okay, it's coming. It's just a little bit slow. I'm so sorry. Soham, your number is 2. Soham, can you hear me? Say yes, ma'am. Everyone, you also write Soham name and just write number 2. So you all will remember, okay? Okay, now who is next? For whom I should roll the dice? Anyone? You can say ma'am, me, or someone else name. You can check. Okay, so I'll roll the dice for Maruf now, okay? Which number, Maruf? Maruf, which number?
Ma'am, 3.
Very good. Your number is 3. Okay. Now I'll roll the dice for Ikshita. Ikshita, your number is 2. Very good.
Ma'am, 2.
Okay, thank you. Now next, who? Arham. Arham, you also 2. Let me see with the same character, with the same setting, with the same problem, how you both can come up with a different story. Okay.
100.
Okay. Who is left? Nidish. Nidish. Now for Nidish.
3 2
Ah. Okay, let's see. Nidish, right now your number is 2. If I feel that we will change then. Okay. For Nidish also. Who is left? Can you all tell me?
Okay.
Niral? Niral is left now. Okay. For Niral, 4. Niral, your number is
4.
4. Very good. Who is left in this meeting?
S.
Whoever. Ananya. Ananya is left. Ananya, for you now. Ananya, you also got 4.
NIRAL.
Okay. Please mute yourself. Anybody left?
This RAL कर सकता मैम ने नहीं दाता
Please mute yourself. Somebody is not on mute. Okay. Who is left? Can you tell me? Just. Okay, let me check. I think everyone is done. Yes? Uditi. Uditi joined us, but she did not tell me. Uditi, you can hear us? Uditi? Uditi.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
You can hear us. So, Uditi, you can check number 6. Okay. As I stop that screen share. Okay, your number is 6. So, right now I'm going to show you the chart. Whatever number you have, you are going to see which character, which problem you got. Okay. And then you are going to create a story. How many sentences it should have? That story. A very, very short story. How many sentences it should have? Can you all show me with fingers how many I said? At least. Thank you, Ananya. Very good. 4 sentences. And you should create a meaningful sentence. Okay? It should have a proper meaning. You know meaningful sentence is what? Just try to use in a good sentence. Try to make a good sentence. Okay? Now I'm going to share you anything, Uditi. Oh, Uditi, I forgot to mention you as you joined late. Just wait. I'll just tell Uditi. Uditi, your number is 6. Okay. Right now, I'm going to show you all a chart. Okay. Everyone, again, if you want to hear, I'm going to show you all chart. There will be 2 characters, 1 setting, and 1 problem. With that, make a short story, 4 sentence story. Okay, who is not on mute? Uditi, you need to mute yourself, baby. Okay, I did that for you. Thank you. Okay, now I am going to show you the chart. Okay. Okay, I will tell you. I'll not show you. Okay. So better than you will keep that surprise. And then, okay, anybody have number 1? No? No? Say yes or no. Anybody have number 1? No. Okay, thank you. Who have number 2? Okay. So your character is a witch. A witch. Jadugarni. Okay, the first character, write it down. A witch. Write the character name. A witch. W-I-T-C-H. A witch. Who has number 2? Okay. Witch. The second character is a doctor. First character is a witch. Second character is a doctor. And the setting, the place is a spooky forest. A spooky forest. Wait, I'll share with you. So maybe you all can get properly. You can see too. You can see this too. A witch, a doctor in a spooky forest, or a डरावना सा forest, okay, and gets caught in a tornado. Now you have to find out the words if you don't know. Okay, just try to do little search. Okay, so this is for number 2, this one. Try to create a story, okay, 4 sentences, as short as you can do it, okay, a short story, a very short story, and try to create your own. Don't take any help, okay. It's your story, so you don't need any help. I don't want perfect thing. I want your creativity, your thinking skills, okay. Create. Okay, so who anybody have 3? You can unmute yourself and say 3. Ma'am, I have 3, so you can write this one.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, who have? No, you have to do now, baby. Just a fun thing. Okay, you can write who got 3, 4 or 5. Uditi, you got 6, so you can write this. Are you all writing? Yes. Everyone unmute yourself and say yes if you are doing that. So I'll just.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anybody is facing problem or not doing, please talk to me. Yes, anybody facing problem, not understanding, you just tell me your number, I'll help you how to do it. No worries. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am, I am facing problem.
Okay, Uditi. What is your number, Uditi? 6 if I'm not wrong?
Yes,
Okay. Okay. So we have a grumpy old man for you. Character. 2 characters we have given you. A grumpy old man and a policeman.
Okay.
Okay. That means just if you will just grumpy means not so happy, always doing. Okay. Not so happy old man, you can understand. A policeman, and they are in a bank. Please others mute yourself. Only Uditi can keep herself unmute. Others mute yourself. I think just wait, Niral. I'll just finish with Uditi. If you can also hear, and then I'll come to you, Niral. Okay. Okay, Uditi, now listen. There are 2 characters, a grumpy old man and a policeman. Okay, and they both are in a bank. And this problem is a robbery. So try to create a story with this, baby. Okay? Yes, Niral. It's your chance, baby. Uditi, clear?
Not understanding.
Uditi, you are clear? Then I'll go to Niral.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Just wait. We'll go one by one. Niral. Now Niral's turn. Niral, what is your number?
My number is 4.
4. Now you can see in a 4 there are 2 characters. Okay, a evil queen. An evil queen means not good queen. Okay, she is not a good queen. Okay, an evil queen an alien, they both are in a school or something related to the school. Okay, setting is school, matlab situation is happening in the school, the place is school. Okay, and they both find a or anything, you can put a problem that they find a magical wand, एक जादुई छड़ी उनको मिली या कुछ भी. Just create a story on your own. Okay, using these 4 things, these 2 characters, they are a school setting and a problem. Clear? Clear, Niral?
Yes.
Okay. Now Nidish will come to you.
Yes.
Yes, Nidish. Yes, Nidish. Please say what is your problem, baby.
Ma'am, I forgot my number.
So you take number 1. Okay. The number 1 is a pirate,
Okay.
a teacher in a haunted. Haunted, you can write a place, wherever place, whichever place. A haunted house get cursed with bad luck. Matlab they have a bad luck. They are not finding a good luck. Everywhere they can see a bad luck. Should I just stop sharing this page? Should I stop sharing this page? Everyone done if I'm not wrong. Yes? Okay. Okay. So you all are started writing. Who is not on mute? That is Nidish. Nidish, your background, I think so something is going on. Just stop it, baby. You need to learn. Okay? I think, what is that, Nidish? Okay, I'll mute you. Okay. Soham, are you doing it? Are you ready? I feel that you're doing. Just try to make a good story, short, good story. Okay. If you have any confusion, you can ask me, no issue. I will clear your doubt one by one. Unmute yourself and you can ask me. Ananya, if you have doubt, unmute yourself and ask me. One by one, but make sure. Yes. Just let me know. Yes, Arham. Okay.
Ma'am, I created a story.
Okay, try to make it more, just check your sentence, how you wrote till the time. We'll just go on others. After 2 minutes, you can share. Okay? Just still go through your story. Maybe you can make it more better. Okay? Yes, Ananya?
Hello?
Just Ananya and then Soham. Just give me 1 minute. Ananya and then Soham. Okay? Yes, Ananya, baby.
Can I use the story that I already made?
Yeah, problem is not there, but I thought we will play one game together. And then only we need 4 sentence story only, a very short story, because we have very less
This
time.
is a very short story.
And you promised me that you will play with us. I don't have any problem in sharing that, Ananya. I love it. But if you can play with us, okay? Yes, Soham. What you were saying, baby?
I just can't find the
Soham, not
perfect
understand. Just let me
page.
mute Ananya. Yeah. Soham, your voice is not at all clear, baby. And always we find problem on that. Yes, Soham.
Can you please repeat that chata?
I'll share the chat again. Okay. And just 1 minute after that we'll share. Okay. Stories. After Arham, anybody else is ready? Just you can just unmute yourself and say yes, ma'am. I am also ready. I know Arham is ready. Anybody else?
2 नंबर की थारो
Soham, please mute
Yes,
yourself,
ma'am.
baby.
I'm ready.
Maruf is ready. Maruf, please once more, like how Arham is checking. I need your sentence should be in a proper way. You learn how to make sentence in PYP1. I have this expectation that you all will make a proper sentence. Okay? Where to put full stop, from where to start the sentence. Okay? And parents, you can share this. You can ask parents. I will not say parents this because this is your job, sweetheart. Students, you will ask your parents to click this photo and they can share later after this meeting on this team with us. Okay? PYP 2A, they can share. Okay? They can share personally with us or they can share there. That's their choice. Okay? So I think Soham, it's done. Must be you have seen already. Okay. So I know two people are done, Arham and Maruf. Ikshita, are you done, baby? Or you still need 1 or 2 minutes time? Because actually our time is somewhere finished. Okay, we'll start sharing. Arham, can you unmute yourself and start sharing, baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Everyone, be a good listener and listen. Arham, please. You can just give
Good
yourself
morning.
time. I'm so sorry, Arham. You
Good
can start.
morning. My name is Aram. I will tell you story of witch and the doctor. One day, the doctor was going to check his patient and he forgot the road and he went into a spooky forest. He found a witch and the witch was telling, I will eat you. And doctor was running. And the witch did a magic and the doctor caught in a the doctor caught in a bavanda and I mean the tornado and then the witch was telling I will eat you and he was just eating and doctor gave her injection and run from there and the witch was died.
Okay, good job, Arham. I love the creativity and I can understand you did it. That's the best part, that I could actually feel it that you created it. So I loved it in that matter. And thank you so much. What I am going to do, as we have very less time, so as Arham and Uditi said first that they are done. So Arham is done and now we'll listen Uditi. I know Ananya, you also want. You're welcome. I know Ananya, you also want. We will just do one thing. We will listen Uditi and then I'm going to ask you a question, Ananya. Okay? Something related to Arham's this and Uditi what she is going to share. Okay? So I'm going to give everyone chance.
Ma'am,
Yes.
when Uditi's story is done, can I read my story?
I want to, but we have very less time. Or Uditi, can I ask Ananya to share her story? Is it okay?
Okay. Yes,
Uh,
because I have not done yet.
So sweet of you, Uditi. So Ananya, we will listen to your story, but make sure it's just a 1 minute or 2 minute story, not more than that. It should be very short story. And after that, related to these two story, or maybe your story, which you are not going to share now, but I'm going to ask few questions to you. Okay? Clear? Yeah, Ananya, please start.
Okay. This one. Okay, I'll read this book.
Yeah, but it's a 1 or 2 minutes, na, Ananya. We have only, otherwise 1 minute, because I have said only 4 sentences. Okay, baby?
I'm reading the book I wrote, not the other book. Okay.
Okay, you have 1 minute time.
Diaz and the Magic Dragon. There lived a girl named Diaz. She had an enemy, Dawn. He was a dragon. After 10 years, Dawn stole the magic lamp. Diaz went to find it. But Dawn's palace is filled with traps. Then Diaz falls into a trap. Luckily, she climbs out and takes the magic lamp. The end.
Oh, thank you so much. You created this story, Ananya.
Mhm.
Oh, so sweet. Thank you so much. Now I'm going to ask you a few questions. Everyone mute yourself. And I think only Ananya needs to mute herself. Everyone is muted. Okay. What I can do, you all. Okay, somebody muted me also. Okay. Okay, so now listen, what you all can do, you can record your story because I really love to hear that, but you can send us on team. Clear? Clear? The one Ikshita, Uditi, Soham, Nidish, Niral, Maruf. You can record your story and send it. But I want to ask you something, questions related to your story. Now just look at your story, and before that, sorry, before that, who will tell me what is part of speech? What comes in the that? Remember these three words, part of speech? Who remember? Last year you learned this part of speech. What comes under that part of speech? Just think it's related to English only. Just think part of speech. Anybody, or should I reveal it? Very good. One is verb. And who said that, by the way? Sorry?
Concentrate.
Concentrate.
Noun.
Noun, yes. Noun, verb, and consonant.
Conjunction.
Part of speech. Think about that. Okay, so noun, verb, adjective, correct. Now, quickly go through your story. Okay. My turn. Thank you so much. My turn. I need to mute you all like this. Just give me, otherwise my chance, okay? Because we have very, very less time. It was should be only 30 minutes session. Now it's 36. So we have to keep track on time, okay? So what I can say that, yeah, go through your story and find out different part of speech and that, and write it down. I can ask anybody. Just I'm giving you 1 minute. See, go through your story. Start going through your story which you made it right now, and see, underline the part of speech you can see, and which part of speech is that? Is it noun? Is it verb? Is it adjective? What? Just go through that. So I can ask like, Ikshita, tell me the noun you used in the story, or I can ask maybe Soham, tell me the verb you used in the story. So go through your story fast and underline the parts of speech. Understood? If you did not understand, you can unmute yourself and ask me question. Go through your story and check the parts of speech you can see there. Is everyone doing that, or somebody is writing story? Go through your story and find parts of speech there in your own story. I'm going to add Nidish because till now Nidish I'm going to ask first. Nidish is there? No, I cannot see Nidish.
Ma'am, I need to tell something.
Please tell me, Maru.
In my story,
Hmm?
there is
Hmm?
a vampire.
Okay. Just one thing, Maru. Are you telling me your story?
No, I am telling which things are there.
So wait. You just underline. Just wait, Maru. You just underline. Okay. And I will ask you which verb is there in your story. Okay. Which adjective? I'm going to ask you like this. Okay. So you underline and keep it ready. Okay. Maybe I can ask which adjective you can see in your story. Okay. Okay, Maruf? Okay. So who all are done? You can raise your hand so I can see Ananya and Ikshita is ready. Kindly go through always check your task again, okay? So you should know that, okay, it's my perfect work. Okay? Slowly check your work again. Okay? Sana ma'am, anything you need to add on what we are taking?
No, ma'am. I guess
Okay.
they all have covered said all the parts of speech which we have covered.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Okay, so I am going to ask Maruf. Maruf, which verb is there in your story, which you used in your story? Verb.
Verb. Ma'am, verb.
Yes. So, which verb you used in your story? Which verb? Any verb you used in your story? Must be you used.
Ma'am, robbery.
Robbery. So, what they were doing? Robbery is a verb. So, what others think? Robbery is a verb. And what others than robbery? Okay, if you think robbery is a verb, so what else than that? Only robbery? Say na. You can share, baby, just like a class.
Robbery.
Say, Maruf.
Ma'am.
Hmm. Okay, now we'll go to somebody else because we need to go little fast. We are going out of time. Now I want to ask Niral. Niral, I want to know, Niral, any pronoun you used in your story? Please share if any pronoun you used in your story. Pronoun. That is also a part of speech. You need to look at me and your copy, baby. No here and there, okay?
Evil, ma'am.
Evil is a pronoun.
Noun.
Noun. But I asked
Yes.
you pronoun. Just leave about pronoun, verb, everything. I just asked you pronoun.
Ma'am, the.
The is a pronoun, sweetie. Okay, who can tell me anyone who used pronoun? Soham. Soham. Pronoun you used in your story.
Ma'am,
pronoun कौन सा use कर रहे हो?
he.
He you used. So evil is a pronoun or the is a pronoun. Soham.
Ma'am, he is a pronoun, not the is pronoun.
Yes, the comes in. Who will tell me what the is? The is comes in. You learn it. Anybody can unmute and say.
Conjunction.
Article.
Adjective.
Article. Okay. Yes, Ikshita. Ikshita, I'll ask you now. Which nouns you use there?
Doctor and witch.
Doctor and which. Okay. So somewhere you all are aware about. See, now again I'll say. Okay. One by one, I'll ask you all what is noun, pronoun, verb, adjective. You are going to tell me. Okay. So we all can do fast reinforcement. Okay. So Uditi, what is noun? Noun. What is noun? Unmute yourself, sweetie. First.
Okay. Noun is a name, thing, place, animal. Name.
Okay. Name of the animal, place, thing. Yes, that's noun. Okay.
Yes.
Ananya, what is verb, baby? Ananya, what is verb, baby? Ananya, can you hear me, baby? No? Okay.
Adjective.
I asked you what is verb, baby? Verb. In the
Verb.
sentences, in the sentence, what is verb? You can give any, with the example, you can tell.
Ma'am.
Yes. Niral.
Can I tell?
Yeah. Okay. Ananya, you can I give chance to Niral or you want to speak?
No.
Okay. So Niral, you speak, baby.
Ma'am, verb is action.
Verb is action. Okay, action. Action
Verb.
words called verb. Very good, Niral. So what here we will end this, but I really want those beautiful story to me. Even Arham, you can record and send it to us. Okay, and that photo also you can click and send it to us. And I don't want any changes made by parents. If it's something wrong, also leave it. It's because I love you all. I want to read that story only for me. Okay, and that's a learning process. If something is wrong, please don't change your and he. If something is wrong, let it be, but please record the way Arham presented it. I want to see. I don't want to miss any story. Yes, Aditi.
Recorded.
Record and send it on Teams. Okay, everyone, correct? Yes. And where is a happy face? Don't get so serious. I want, we are trying to take something where we can enjoy the activities. Okay, so you all have to enjoy it. Okay, don't take it. If you don't know anything, put a message, ma'am Shilpa ma'am, I need help in this, or Sana ma'am, I need help in this, I want to learn. Ask mama papa also, they are very brilliant. Okay, they are brilliant. Okay, so please take help of them, ours, and then we will learn together. Okay. Yeah. Sana ma'am, anything you want to say? Sana ma'am,
No, ma'am. Let's end.
that's it. So can we say bye bye to each other? And
Bye bye,
next time,
everyone.
one more thing. And next time, I want your understanding of part of speech more clear. Do some revision. Okay? Clear? You need to do more practice behind. Yes, Suditi?
Can I talk to Ikshita and Neeral?
Uh, I am recording, baby, and this recording will go online. So do you, okay, just I'll, okay.
Ma'am,